Sythian art. Sythian art, also called step art, decorated objects mainly arms, jewelry, and trappings for horses, tents, and wagons, produced by nomadic tribes that roamed Central Asia from slightly east of the Altai Mountains in Inner Mongolia to European Russia. What little is known of these tribes called Siths, Saka or Sasi in the classical sources indicates that they established control of the plain north of the Black Sea over a period of several centuries, from as early as the 9th century BCE until they were gradually supplanted by the Sarmatians during the period from the 4th century BCE to the 2nd century CE. Many of the most impressive pieces of Scythian art, now part of the treasure at the Hermitage St. Petersburg, were recovered in the 17th and 19th century, before the development of modern archaeological methods that might have shed more light on their origins. Later excavations of a number of kurgans throughout Central Asia and elsewhere have uncovered thousands of gold objects, often in a single kurgan, as well as bronze, iron, silver, and electrum artifacts. Those objects demonstrate Scythian knowledge and mastery of metal casting, plastic shaping, joining, decorative, and finishing techniques. Furthermore, the Scythians did not limit themselves to metalwork. Other unearthed materials include wood, leather, bone, beads of carnelian, amber, and turquoise, as well as applique, felts, and other textiles, luxury items that were undoubtedly symbols of prestige. The tombs of Peshawer in the Altai yielded many well-preserved articles of clothing that were profusely trimmed with embroidery and applique designs. The clothes of the valley in southern Russia were covered with tiny gold embossed plaques sewn to the garments. At Peshawer, felt applique wall hangings were found, some displaying religious scenes featuring the great goddess or anthropomorphic beads, others with geometric or animal motifs. Felt rugs were also found, as well as a vast number of beautifully made tools and domestic utensils.
The art of the period is essentially an animal art. Combat scenes between two or more animals are numerous, as are single animal figures. Many real or mythical beasts are represented, the majority of the types having roots in deep antiquity, but the Scythians fashioned them in a manner that was new and characteristically their own. As is to be expected with nomads who were constantly on the move. The decorative objects they produced are generally small in size, but many are made of precious materials and practically all are of superb workmanship.